An Italian expert has warned that lack of awareness of inflation in Europe may lead to a slowdown in consumption and investment over the next months.
I would say that we are much less used to the problems of inflation rather than the currency devaluations. I would have to say that we have been into the single currency plus the very low inflation environment which we have been used to over the last 10 years. I've never heard anyone recently talking about the value of the euro versus the dollar. I see many people keeping a lot of cash, a lot of liquidity in their bank accounts without realizing that this liquidity is going to be raised pretty quickly by the value of inflation. So we do fear that because of this unawareness of consumers to the relatively new phenomenon of inflation, we might have some slowdown of consumption and investment over the next months. So yeah, I would say that now that there will be, we risk the fact that we have lost memory of the strategies of devaluation and inflation.